So, but innovate, create a different mozzarella, maybe a mozzarella with more humidity, or maybe drier, or a mozzarella stuffed with olive oil, or stuffed with ricotta and truffle, as I said, or maybe a burrata with blue cheese. Innovate, experiment new techniques of maturing. For example, soak your cheeses in a mixture of brandy and beer, for example, or inject them. Anything. If this invention work, now you have another product. So be creative, invent. All right. So